Not guilty. That's the jury's verdict tonight in the murder trial of Conrad Truman. He'd once been convicted of killing his wife. Central Utah Specialist Sam Penrod was there as the second trial wrapped up against Truman. Sam, this jury clearly saw the case differently.
Yes, they did, Deanie, and it was very tense in the courtroom in the moments leading up to the reading of the verdict. And now that the jury has found Conrad Truman not guilty, he is free tonight for the first time in more than 3.5 years. A moment of celebration for Conrad Truman and his family as he walked out of the Utah County Jail an hour after he was found not guilty by a jury of killing his wife in 2012.
Like the great Bill Murray once said on Groundhog's Day, when his nightmare ended, he said, "Today is tomorrow, and today is my tomorrow." So and my family, I love my family so much. Thank you.
Truman has maintained his innocence even after he was convicted of the same charges 2 years ago, and now his ordeal is over.
Why has it been an ordeal? Because I've been locked up for something I didn't do.
A new defense team was able to get his original conviction overturned, and the state medical examiner reversed the cause of Heidi Truman's death from homicide to undetermined.
There's a different outcome in this trial, in my opinion, because we discovered that there were evidentiary problems that affected the first trial. We think that the outcome of the first trial in this case was impacted by some of the faulty evidence that we uncovered.
We knew going into this that this was going to be a tough case.
Prosecutors say without some evidence used in the first trial, they still believe they had a duty to seek justice in Heidi's death.
We said if we got all the evidence in that we felt, we could, then that's all we can do.
Heidi's family was visibly upset following the not guilty verdict in a case that they maintain was the result of domestic violence. Conrad Truman did not elaborate on what he is going to do now that the criminal case against him is over, and his attorney declined to say whether or not he will file a civil lawsuit against Orem Police or the county attorney's office.
All right, Sam, thank you. Quite a day in court. The judge